Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Cdphp OTC account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, first of all, open up a web browser of your choice and type in www.cdphp.com and press enter on your keyboard. After pressing enter on your keyboard, this is our official web page. You can scroll down this web page to investigate this web page. To log into your Cdphp OTC account, click on the sign in button and then click on members. After clicking members, this is our login page. Type in your username and your password into the login area. If you forget your username, click on this forget username link over here and follow the instructions. If you forget your password, click on this forgot password link over here and follow the instructions again. If you don't have an account yet, click on this register button over here and follow the instructions again. After filling all of your details, click on the sign in button over here and that's it. That is how it can be easily done. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.